Hey folks, it's Bob. We're getting ready to go on a road trip. That boat that we put the motor in for my nephew, we're just about to take it. We're leaving the house to go. I'll turn this camera around. We're leaving the house to go up to Deer Creek Reservoir in Utah, and we're going to try this out and see if we can sink it or not. All right, we'll be back to you. Well, hey folks, we're at the marina. Joey missed the turn. We're sitting here waiting for him. I'll give you a report when we go down the ramp. Okay, well, so we're here at Deer Creek Reservoir. We've got the boat backed into the water, and Steve is giving Joey a tutorial on how to think about driving this thing. Joey's never driven a boat before. So the engine is running and it appears to have no leaks. I'll report back to you when we're on the water. Okay, so we're out here on Deer Creek Reservoir. The boat's been performing really good. We've been cruising about 28 miles an hour. Joey's been learning his craft. Let me turn this around. Don't fall, Joey.
Hot.
Yeah, it is. So what do you think of your first boat operating experience?
First time is, yeah, I'm still a little nervous.
Okay.
So nervous, but I love it. It's awesome.
So we're out here with Doug and his family. Joe's girlfriend, Connie. Doug and Steve are out getting wet. We're having a good time. It's high 80s, water temperatures in the mid 70s. Everybody's having a good time. We'll see how the end of the day goes.